guys, so you probably hear some clicking noises, and I'm very sorry, but I have no other way to get a video up to you guys, and I cannot guarantee that I can do a video later, because Hurricane Sandy is here. Now, it's windy, but it's not too bad. The power might go out. We're at risk of it. I just need to get this video up, so I'm so sorry, and I apologize for all the quality of this video. It sucks, I know. I'm sorry in advance, if you could hear any of that. Now, I know this is very annoying, and you're probably thinking to yourself, I hate this video, but I just want to let you know we're okay, and we're probably going to be okay for the rest of the day. It's supposed to get worse come nighttime. I work from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m., so think of me. I'll be safe. Hurricane Sandy's here. Oh my gosh. And, you know, it's the end of the world as we know it, you know. It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine. Anyway, guys, be safe during Hurricane Sandy. My best wishes to all of you along the East Coast line and up north. I am praying for you, and we'll be fine. It'll be okay. We will get through it. I just hope we don't lose power, because God forbid I lose power and can't get online. I would, like, die. I would die. Like, I don't know what to do with myself when I lose power, so, that's the world we live in. Alright, bye, you guys. Be safe. Sorry for the crappy quality. I'm sorry for the clicking noises. Oh, I wish there was something I could do to change it. Watch it not happen in the video, and you'd be like, what clicking noises? There were no clicking noises. What are you talking about? Yeah, whatever.